Good afternoon, everyone. This is part 2 of Living the Outdoor Life. This is hosted by myself, Designed with Emma, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more. Come along with me as I show you how I live the outdoor life. The area I'm showing you today is my upstairs balcony. If you all remembered, I told you Willie had actually redid the whole balcony. So come along, let me show you what I've come up with. I'm going to let you take a look at it, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. The co-hosts are Jennifer at Home by Design with Maryland, Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, Sandy Lynn, Home and Garden, and Jean's Home Decor and more. Make sure you stop over and see all of their living areas. I'm also going to come back and give you the night view. This is the day view. I will come back and give you the night view. The Outdoor Living series is a 4-part series. I did do part 1. If you missed that one, please go back and take a look at it. This is part 2, and it's, as I said, a 4-part series. So there's going to be 2 more parts, and I have redone both of the bottom decks. So what I'll do, I'll come back in part 3 and 4 and show you the makeovers. You all excuse my Stanley cup. Now, if you all remember, this was my actual day bed. I decided to split it up, and what I've done with it, I've actually made it 2 couches. I did go ahead and change the pillows. So I'll let you go ahead and finish looking at everything. Then I'm going to come back and tell you about it. As you can see here, that's what Willie has added to the railing, and I am loving it. It's privacy, plus it also gives me a bit of a design style, which is what I was looking for. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here with this beautiful table you see here. I just picked it up at Goodwill for $19.99. It was brown. It is an out sunny table. I brought it home and painted it black, and it matches perfectly. And I paid $19.99 for it. Okay, so if we look on this side, as I told you, I did split the day bed into 2 portions and made 2 couches. So this is the bottom half of that day bed. What I've done, I've added pillows to it and placed it against that baluster to make it actually a little couch. On this side, I have added the black and white striped pillows. All of my pillows covers were from Amazon. This day bed, it may have come from Amazon. I truly don't remember. I've had it about 3 years. My planters were all from Big Lots, and I have 5 of them up here. I did show this to you in a previous video. You can go back and check that out. I've added lights to it and the plants inside. Down here is a large lantern that I just purchased at Hobby Lobby. And what I've done to it, I went inside and added a flower, a light to the inside. The larger lanterns I told you about, I did purchase those from Kroger's a couple of years ago. Over on this side, I do have my TV here, a lantern, and a smaller plant. As I told you all, in the summertime, I live outdoors, and I really do. Over here in the corner, this very large planter you see is from Hobby Lobby. They are half price, thanks to Lifestyle and Design with Teresa. She was telling us about this in one of her hauls, so I did hurry down to Hobby Lobby and I did pick this black one up. They did have the white ones, but I decided to go with the black one. Over here, all I have is a small table with another one of those large lanterns from Kroger's, and I've had these 2 or 3 years. On the wall, I have that wall piece and it lights up. That was a Goodwill find. And over here, what you're seeing is the top of the day bed, and it actually is a couch. So I put it over here on this side. I've added the striped black and white pillow covers and black covers from Amazon. And that is my little hat you see. I just threw it on here. I'm leaving for Miami in a couple of days, going to Aruba. And so I did pick up this hat, but I did just throw it here on the couch. Around here, you'll see the fountain. If you all remember, I picked up 4 of these last year, all in different styles. And I picked those up from Bargain Hunt. Now, Bargain Hunt has gone out of business now. Now, let me tell you about this beautiful umbrella Willie bought me. As you can see, it's square. It has lights inside it, and in the middle, a beautiful light. I will come back and do the night view on it. It is beautiful. And what makes it different, let me take you over here and show you. I had never seen it before. It actually has a switch, and you can turn it off and on. So if you want the lights off, after it gets so dark, you can turn the lights off or turn them on with that switch. I had never seen one like that, but I'm loving it because it is so convenient. Again, I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and all of her co-hosts for hosting with us on Living the Outdoor Life. I will be leaving their information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their outdoor living areas. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the remake of my upstairs balcony. I want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you are not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. The rugs were from Amazon. You all wait for the night view. It's coming up. So hold on. Okay, guys, as I told you, I would come back and give you the night view. So come along as I give you the night view. That is my night view, guys. I truly hope I've given you all some ideas when decorating your decks for the summer. Again, if you would, hit that like, comment, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.